Use ice cream, 2 ingredients only. At my specialty recipe, follow now. Chilled overnight all-purpose cream. Whisk until it doubles in volume. Comment your location so I know where my video got to. Use macapuno flavor condensed milk. Whip until well combined. Like and comment. Don't forget to follow at my specialty recipe. Comment your favorite ice cream. Transfer to a container of your choice. At my specialty recipe, follow now. Freeze overnight or at least 6 hours. Like, share, and comment. Don't forget to. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to watch more. Serve in a bowl, cup, or ice cream cone. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. At my specialty recipe.